So we're now here taking a look at the new XM. All right, so you're gonna drive it? We're gonna take it out?
If they let me, like looking like this, sweaty.
All right, guys, so here is the XM. It's gorgeous.
That gold thing is...
Yeah, the gold trim.
Baby.
Check out the rear, guys. It's got that like vertical exhaust setup. Same thing that you would see on the brand new M3 with the M Performance exhaust. Interesting. All right, so no, veo de eso, bro. What is this? Very simplistic. Very BMW too.
All right, let's start this puppy. Interesting. Also, it's on right now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very comfy. Interesting.
Feels like a boat.
Yeah, it does feel like a boat. But, I mean, it's an SUV. Then you put it into M1 is comfort, so the engine should be on right now. No? Nope. M2. Oh, that's the engine. Are you gonna do a fat pool leaving the dealership?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. It pulls like a little bit more than the M5 though, like from zero. No?
Really? It's more direct?
It's more because the electric motor will probably help it.
Right.
That's
M5 has that wretched turbo lag, but this is just instant.
I don't think you can do launch control because of... well, whatever. Oh! Okay, so the launch is pretty flame. It's pretty good for an SUV, right? I mean, you're not driving it, but I mean, yeah, it's a bit floaty.
Yeah,
but the power is... it's there. Wow.
Impressing.
Yeah, really impressing. Brakes are good.
That man moves.
Yeah. It is heavy though. I think it's nice. Would I pay $160,000 for it? Probably not.
Absolutely not. What's a better alternative though?
I think the X5M should be better, no? Or the X6M.
I think so too. It's smaller, probably feels a lot more nimble than this.
The hybrid is pretty good.
I mean, is it that much more significant than the ZF and like the M5?
What do you mean?
Like, is it so much more like noticeable in terms of power delivery, shifting, and?
No. It feels the same. It's just when you start from zero, you have a little... I don't know if you felt it. Let me do it here. See?
Yeah.
Like you throw it and then it's... So I don't think it's tuned properly, I think.
Maybe.
Even the Tesla don't do it like this. I mean, they kind of do, but no.
So maybe it's just like a prototype type of thing.
Maybe. Look, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna tell you when I'm throwing it. And then it goes.
I see.
And that was everything in Sport Plus.
Hmm.
Let me see from like if you were like on the road. There's no pops though.
Yeah, dude. Dude, that's so freaking nice. So good turning radius.
Yeah, super good.
Guys, oh, yo, look at the red lighting, the ambient lighting.
Oh, you changed to red?
Yeah, I guess M2 or M mode. That's really nice, dude. Oh, and I love the pattern on the suede Alcantara roof. No, man, this is a really solid car.
Yeah.
Like you said, it's for what it is. I think the X6. I think I would take the X6 M2.
Wait.
No. And that is
the exhaust, like the M performance.
Yeah, that's the new M3 with the M performance. They're looking. These MFs, bro.
And it's literally destroyed.
Imagine engine fail. Alright, so we saw how the car drives and how the front seats are. Let's see how it is in the back. Wow. Oh, this is exec level spacing here, dude. I got about 4 inches or so of clearance.
Yeah. It's
Wow.
super like plush, right?
Plushy? Yeah.
I feel like this is like a Cullinan. But
Competitor. Cullinan competitor?
not competitor, but just like the same body. And then they just put M bits in it. Because this is supposed to compete with the Urus, the Bentley Bentayga. And
But is it like entry, like performance wise, or like in comfort
no,
and
like
options?
the
The
type
look.
of car it is, yeah.
Yeah, it does. It does have like
It's
a sort of-
striking, it has striking looks, I think.
Yeah, it's definitely like eye catching for sure. It's like a big block. Awesome.